Hi everyone, welcome to Vaibhava English Academy. Today, let us look at Gitanjali Song number 27. The song is a little larger compared to other poems, but then the meaning and the symbolism involved in it is very precise. Okay, so let's quickly get into the poem. Light, oh, where is the light? Kindle it with a burning fire of desire. There is the lamp, but never a flicker of a flame. Is such thy fate, my heart? Ah, death were better by far for thee. Misery knocks at thy door, and her message is that thy Lord is wakeful, and he calls thee to thy love, just through the darkness of night. The sky is overcast with clouds, and the rain is ceaseless. I know not what this is that stirs in me. I know not its meaning. A moment's flash of lightning drags down a deeper gloom on my sight, and my heart gropes for the path to where the music of the night calls me. Light, oh, where is the light? Kindle it with a burning fire of desire. It thunders, and the wind rushes screaming through the void. The night is black as a black stone. Let not the hours pass by in the dark. Kindle the lamp of love with thy life. Now let us look at the explanation. Here, in this poem, as we can see, there is a frequent mentioning of light, lamp, and darkness, and even the season is gloomy. It is understood that the poet Rabindranath Tagore describes a night which is very much raining, and it is thundering outside. Lightning is also coming. So in that scenario, okay, where if we see the psychology of the poet, what happens? The poet is gloomy. The poet is sad. He says that his heart is like a lamp, but then there is no light in it. And what is it that the poet's inner mind is frequently reminding him? Light the lamp, light the lamp. Because your Lord is waiting, God is waiting, and God can enter only where there is light. He cannot enter into somewhere dark. Okay, so light the lamp in your heart. Let this environment, let this surrounding change. Let light come. Once light comes, once flicker of light comes, what happens? This gloom, this darkness will dispel, and the brightness of the God will enter. Okay, so here metaphor is used. Metaphor is indirect comparison. Here heart is compared to lamp. Okay, and also just like you see the metaphor of lamp is used so that the entire scenario changes. The gloominess, the black sad clouds which is thundering and also lightning, this environment, this tumultuous environment will suddenly change into peace and calm environment if one is able to light the lamp. And where do you get the lamp? The lamp is in your heart, and you just have to light it with your love. So, this is the poem in very short. Now, let us look at the specifications. Here, the metaphor of lamp is used. The poet is in darkness and he is searching for light. Because in the lines he is asking, where is light? Where is the light? Where is the lamp? And all. Okay. Then poet realizes that the poet's heart is the lamp, but there is not even a flicker of light. In spiritual sense, how can you light a lamp? You can light a lamp by belief in God, by your firm dedication to God. Yes, by your firm affirmation in God's power, in God's existence itself. Once you are believing and once you have that right bhakti, you see, the light is already lighted and the God can enter your heart. Okay. The poet feels that death is better than this state because he is not able to come out of the dark situation, come out of his sadness or gloominess. He imagines a dark rainy night, and misery knocks on his door and informs him that God is waiting for him to light lamp. So once God enters, what happens? Misery, all sadness, all sorrow will dispel, just like black clouds moving away once the sun rises. Right. And this particular gloomy environment, we can compare it to Edgar Allan Poe's Raven. There also a student is there who is studying late night, and the raven comes, and raven stands for the gloominess and all. So instead of raven, who comes here? Here misery comes to a place, to the poet's heart, which is full of gloominess, which is full of tumultuous negative thoughts. Who comes? Misery comes and tells that God is there. Okay, and once you are able to light your lamp, God will enter your heart. Once that happens, then everything will be peaceful. Okay, please understand. Edgar Allan Poe's The Raven, the same scenario is being described here by Rabindranath Tagore in this song number 27. Okay, the poet describes a tumultuous weather. It is raining along with thunder and lightning. The poet becomes aware of the void inside him. Okay, with flash of lightning, his gloominess increases, and his heart feel the drag of night to join its music. We all know that when one is suffering from sadness, or when one suffering from negative thoughts, what happens? We have that willpower to fight against uh, the flow. Only dead fishes go with the flow. Otherwise, the people who want to come out of sorrow, they have to fight back. They have to continuously fight back. And what happens here? The poet is losing his courage, and he just wants to join the night in its music. That means he wants to go with the flow, just like dead fish. He wants to go with the flow. He does not want to, fight and come out of it. But his willpower, it is saying that God is right there. Once you light the lamp, God will enter and save you. Okay, so here we can see the tension, the tension between one mind and the other. One mind says, okay, let it be, don't fight, just go with the flow. Just if you are in sadness, be in sadness. But then there is other side of the mind that says, no, you have to fight, you have to come out of sadness, you have to come out of this gloominess, and you have to light the lamp for God to come in. Okay, so here again, when we are speaking about this example, I am reminded of Dr. Faustus, Thomas Marlowe's Dr. Faustus, in which there is good angel and bad angel. Good angel saying, Faustus, don't commit your soul to the Satan, whereas bad angel saying, the Satan would give you so much luxuries, so please commit it to him. So I am reminded of those two angels at this moment. See, such a picture is given. Whenever you are appreciating or analyzing poetry, you always have to compare with other masterpieces. Only then you can understand the true beauty of it. Okay. But suddenly, the poet comes out of his sadness and recognizes the need to light the lamp quickly before it is late, before the night is over, before the time is over. That means the lifespan. Human beings have a short lifespan. Okay, and within this short lifespan, there is a mission that God wants us to accomplish. Okay, so before it is too late, the poet is reminded by his positive power or by his optimism to light the lamp, to come out of sadness, to come out of misery. Okay, Tagore's message through this poem is, kindle the lamp of love with thy life. Make your life an instrument to kindle, to light the lamp of love. So that is his message. In order to dispel all the negatives, in order to dispel all the sorrows and sadness, what has one to do? One has to light the lamp of love using one's life. You have to use your life as an instrument to kindle the lamp of love. Thank you so much.